Today is day one of rebuilding my business, and I wanted to start with something simple: habits that help me show up as my best self. And as most people know, after my brain injury, I cannot function without structure or colour. So after a morning walk to get some clarity, brainstorm, and think the day ahead, I start by writing down my to-do list whilst listening to a business podcast at the same time. It sets me up so well for the day and makes sure that I know exactly what I'm doing and I have a good structure to follow to make sure I am as productive as possible.